how to set any video as a live wallpaper on Mac. Let's start with the manual Mac workaround. This method doesn't rely on a third-party app, but it does take a few extra steps. In Finder, click Go, then Computer. Open your hard drive, then go to Library, Application Support, and find the Wallpaper Assets folder. Now open com.apple.idleassetsd, then Customer, and then the folder where Apple stores the video wallpaper files. If this folder is empty, don't worry. Go to System Settings, open Wallpaper, and download one of Apple's live wallpapers first. That creates the placeholder file we need. So first, go to your System Settings. From here, go to your Wallpaper section. Then temporarily change to any wallpaper. You need to download any wallpaper. The download may take a little time. Till then, I'll change the wallpaper in front of you. As you can see, I've changed the wallpaper. Let's wait for the download, or if one is already available, we can use that. Now come here and open the application window, then go to Activity Monitor. After coming here, remember one thing. The wallpaper selector should remain open. Do not minimize it. Here you will see a wallpaper process. There is an aerial extension, double-click on it, then go to Files and Ports. Scroll down to the bottom, and here you will find a path. Simply copy this path from here. As you can see, I have copied it. After copying, open Finder, then go to Go To and select Go to Folder. Paste the same path here and press Enter. Here you will find a video section. You can see this is the same wallpaper that we just set. Now what we will do is go to Finder. Let me open a new tab. You can also save the wallpaper on your desktop. Now I'm here. First you need to rename it, then go to the second Finder window where you downloaded it. Click on it and rename it. Paste the old name that you copied earlier. Press Enter, and the name will change. Now, simply drag and drop it back into the Videos folder where you deleted it. After deleting, you don't need to do anything else. Just minimize it. Now when you come back here, simply press the Quit button. After pressing Quit, you will get another option. Force Quit. As soon as you click it, you will see something changes. Now, I'll minimize everything. After that, it gets applied. When you press the lock button, you can see the video starts playing on the lock screen as well. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it and also subscribe to the channel. Want to run these live wallpapers on a newer Mac model? Shop our certified refurbished Macs at Techable. And if you've got an older Mac you're ready to move on from, turn it into cash at Sell Mac.